Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin. That's the Jeep. Got the Dodge over on the other side. Ford's still on the lift. You haven't missed much there. So last video, you just saw us tint the Jeep. So that's still drying. And then we got more parts that showed up today. We ended up getting the MetalCloak license plate relocation kit, along with basically get rid of this. Give the Jeep a cleaner look, and I'm going to end up going with 37s or bigger for wheels and tires on this one. So I figured might as well until I can get a different rear bumper or whatever, because this Jeep didn't come with the tailgate hinge reinforcement. So for now, this will work. Plus, I like the look of it. I think it looks cleaner and it looks different than every other Jeep on the road. So I will show you guys what we got in the kit and what you got to do to pull it off and install it and kind of get everything done. Alright, so to give you guys a quick idea of what we're doing roughly, I'm going to start by pulling, focus, there we go. I'm going to start by pulling off these bolts. There's one, oops, it's hard to see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the other side, and then 7, 8. So that's where we're at. Those are 13s. I'm going to use just cordless impact and hopefully knock this out real quick. And then I will show you guys what we got to do from there. Alright, so for those top ones, I went ahead, grabbed an extension, wobble socket, make life easy on myself. Oops. That was loud. Somehow managed to hit the panic button. So here's what we're gonna do. This right here, these are what's keeping this camera in. I'm gonna pull this little lock. So these are gonna be Torx bits. Come on, camera, focus. There we go. So I'm going to remove all the Torx bits to hopefully get the third brake light undone and out and clear all the wiring in the camera and all of that jazz. So I'm going to set you guys up. I keep saying so. I keep saying so. I apologize, guys. I really got to break that habit. And it's hot out today, man. I'm sorry. It's sunny. It's hot. I'm sweating. I'm not used to this. We've been chilling in the mid to low 60s lately, and it's been great, but today was beautiful. I went out for a ride on the bike. I'm not looking forward to winter. I'm not a fan of winter. Not anymore anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and knock these bolts out real quick. Torx bits, whatever. And I'll catch you guys back in a second once I do that. Okay. Quick update. Figured out the size. How am I going to do this? Focus. There. Okay, and this is it's a Torx 25 bit. Ah, I just got bit in the back of the head by a mosquito. That hurt. Ah. Now we're just gonna take little Torx that was in your Jeep. The toolkit, Jeep toolkit. I'm not there today, man. By the way, it's a Monday. I've been up since 5 a.m. for no reason. I'm tired, and I don't know what time it is. It's probably 3 or 4 in the afternoon. Today's gonna be an early night, man. Upper piece, third brake light's taken off. So what I did, undid all the Torx bolts, and then you could separate the two pieces. Okay, anyway, so you get the idea, right? Third brake light would sit up here, undo the Torx bolts. There's 2 bolts that are going to be underneath the third brake light when you pull this apart. Oh, my camera's about to die. Alright, well, I might be continuing this on the phone, boys and girls. So, I'm going to cut this recording, or this part of the recording here, and then I will use my phone for the rest. I'm sorry, I don't have my extra batteries with me. So I'll either run up and grab one, or I'll just use my phone. So I'll catch you guys in a minute. Alright, quick update. So what I ended up having to do is take a punch to here and here, which would be right here on your tire carrier after you get it off. So that way you can pull your That way you can pull your wheel studs and actually remove the camera. Then I went ahead, took apart just pulled this off real quick. It's just plastic clips. Remember the trim tools I talked about? Just take one of those. I think the next thing that we're gonna end up doing is figuring out, let me show you. So I got my camera taken out and apart, and it's just loosely in there. There's the third brake light. So this entire piece is just loosely together. These are the 2 wires for the license plate light. So, next up is going to be pulling my license. Oh, it's so hard to do this. I'm sorry. I'm new to this. Point. Camera. There. Brain work. Okay. So, we're going to pull my license plate. That piece that holds everything. Camera. What? Thank you. Okay, we're gonna pull my license plate off so that way I can get access to my license plate light, because that's what we're gonna tap into for that light. Whew. Alright guys, it's been a minute. We had some complications. Ooh, that's better lighting. So I had to redo it because I was stupid and kind of messed up installing the camera. So here's where we're currently at right now. So I had, so that little pink piece, focus. That pink piece is the camera. I had it mounted the wrong way. It's now mounted, oh my god, camera focus. It's now mounted the correct way. I just had it flipped essentially. So focus, okay. So essentially it'll look something like this. But I'm now in the process of wiring. So we took this gray wire, which actually goes to these two plugs right here, pigtails that came off the license plate tag light. So we cut a little hole in the grommet, ran that through. Probably could have tucked it in the black tubing, but I you know, it is what it is. So ran it through here. All you're gonna do is run it with these wires. Oh my god, these mosquitoes, man. God, I'm getting chowed out here. Probably could just close the door, but whatever. Yeah, so it got colder out, so I'm gonna sweatshirt now. And it is much later, as you can tell. It's dark out. It's starting to get dark out. So I'll tell you where we're at. So it's installed. This is done partially. I'm probably gonna have to pull it back off to be able to get the bolts, because the bolts I have, yeah, that doesn't matter. Basically I was dumb and didn't put my license plate on first. Whatever. So I'm gonna go a different route. Instead of tapping in, so they had originally, again, I'm sorry, where's my flashlight? I'm trying to give you some light. So their instructions tell you to tap in to this orange wire and then obviously the black wire. I don't really want to do that. Like I said, I'm not a fan of that. So I think what I'm gonna end up doing, since I'm moving my license plate anyway, I don't know. This is kind of where I'm at. So here's where I'm at. This is the drain plug underneath your tray. For now, I think this is how I'm gonna run it. I think that's what we're gonna do for now. Just to kind of get everything, so that way I got my vehicle tomorrow, because this thing's got trans issues, Ford's on the lift. I don't feel like riding my bike tomorrow. Maybe we'll see what the weather's like, but I gotta try and get this done. So I'm gonna tap it into the license plate light that was already existing, since I'm moving the license plate anyway, and I plan on getting a different bumper anyway. That plug was gonna be capped in it, so I figure I might as well tap into it. I'm gonna try and use my own. Let me try it. Let's see. I got some somewhere, or at least I got something I can show you. Here's one. So these are what I use. Obviously, they have the male end, female end, whatever. So these are what I use on when I make my harnesses for rock lights, light bars. I mean, you name it. I prefer to use that type of connector. It makes life way easier, way cleaner. And that way, if anything ever goes bad, I can just unplug, depin, reuse the same connector with new pins. Okay, guys. Well, I got the wiring done. I'll show you that real quick. Let me notes on. Okay. So here's for the wiring. These are the connectors I'm talking about. So I added one of these, and I just tapped it into the standard tag light. So now I'll tidy all of that up. That goes there, obviously. So, and now we got a license plate light. I'm gonna go ahead, wrap everything up. And on that note, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for dealing with the crappy. Today was a Monday, and today was one of those days. So any of you guys that are out there having a shitty day, man, like I was, it's okay. We'll get through it. It's just another day. Keep grinding. So I'm out of here, man. I'm gonna wrap this up. It's time to eat. It's time to go to bed almost, and continue on with my week. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. If you can, drop a comment below, hit the sub button, hit the like button, share this if possible. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hope you guys have a beautiful evening, day, morning, night, whatever it may be. Deuces. Peace.